It's Julia Mills. It is nice to be with you today, and I'm excited to be participating in another kind of video 12-week program just to share some information that I think you all might be interested in learning about. I sure was. I am a healthcare business consultant and also a wholesale distributor of Nutrigenomics with a publicly traded biotech company, able to share these products worldwide through an e-commerce business system. And I've talked a bit about the science and the company and some of the details in previous videos, so please feel free to kind of go back and look at those if you're interested. But in a nutshell, what nutrigenomics is, it's kind of what it says. It's powerful nutrition that activates our DNA, activates our genetic potential, right? To optimize our body from the inside out at a very, very high rate. So it's breakthrough medical technology, which is something that I've been involved with now for over 15 years. I've been involved with this company and this nutrigenomic technology for about 6 years. And it's really changed my life. It's changed my health. It's changed my family's health. I work with some of the most incredible doctors and nurses and nutritionists and professionals, really of all walks of life and all industries, because as you all know, health is at the top concern of all of our minds right now. I mean, for a long time it has been for me. I've been in the medical field for a long time, but for now, I mean, our entire society is really driven right now with health concerns. So to be able to share information with people, to take a proactive approach, to take a natural way to optimize our body and our immune system approach is really exciting. And to use it with evidence-based products is just incredible. So for the next few weeks, the next 12 weeks, what I'm going to do, and I'm excited about this, is, I work with over 2,000 medical providers in our medical provider group. And then there's about 70,000 distributors worldwide, and we still are pretty unknown. So it's pretty exciting to be on the NASDAQ, to have evidence-based products that we can share globally through an e-commerce website. And for me, I mean, the reason why I do this in the nooks and crannies of my life, because I work full-time as a consultant and I just kind of squeeze this in, is because I believe in the product so much. I believe in the science. It has changed my health, my life, and hundreds of others that I've had the opportunity to see. And also, it's an additional income stream that's available to anybody. So I believe it's important to share this. And I really thank Leslie and I thank the Raleigh Business Networking Group to give us the opportunity to get this out there to people. So thank you. Thank you for this. And if you're interested in anything that I say or have any questions, just reach out. I mean, I'm happy to talk with you. But my goal for the next really about 10 weeks is I'm going to line up about 10 interviews with people who have mentored me, who have taught me over the years. I was introduced to this by a neurologist and a cardiologist, and I work with some of the top folks in the medical industry. So I'm going to be interviewing them, bring them on these lives every week. But I also work with some incredible, just business-minded entrepreneurs, people that are in the financial industry, in the insurance industry, real estate, service industries, just people who care about their own health and want to be proactive, want to use the latest advanced technology that's natural, right, holistic. So those are the kinds of people that I'm going to be interviewing. What I'd love for you to do is drop a comment and let me know what your profession is. What industry are you in? Because what I'm going to try to do is line up people that I work with that match those industries, just so you can see that this is something that a lot of people are very interested in and a lot of people are getting involved with. So that's what I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks. I'm not going to get into any detail on the science behind this, or the company, or the products, or the timing of this, or anything. I've already kind of talked about those in other videos, and you can certainly go back to that or just reach out to me, and happy to share that with you. But what I will say is that 6 years ago, I had been laid off by the pharmaceutical industry, as many people were. I was in sales and sales training. I also was an executive at medical technology consulting firm, so I had the opportunity to learn about hundreds of medical technologies. And it was at that time that a neurologist that I knew had shared this company and this science with me that I'm a part of now and that I'm sharing with you today. She was very blown away by the science and was using it with her patients, and thought I'd want to know about it, and I sure did, because it did change my health as well, pretty quickly actually. I had been sick for a while. Stress had caused a lot of that, but also undiagnosed and misdiagnosed health conditions that I was facing that the traditional medical system just missed, and we all know why. You know, on average, you spend 7 minutes with your doctor, and whatever insurance dictates that they write on the script is, you know, what you get. So I had suffered through that. So when I was introduced to this, I saw the science of the products and how it could help me and my family for short-term health fix, as well as long-term prevention of chronic disease, which is pretty exciting. But then I also put my business hat on, and I thought, wow, I have an opportunity to bring to people that I know and love, and even outside that, you know, to the world, products that are evidence-based, which means that there's science behind them, which means that there's PubMed, which is the National Institutes on Health's database for clinical research, that there's science behind the product, and there is tons of science behind this product, independently funded, Harvard, Ohio State, American Heart Association, National Institutes on Aging. I mean, there's just tons. It just blew my mind. And the fact that it came from Duke. So we're here in the Raleigh-Durham area, and this all started by a world-renowned scientist, Dr. McCord, PhD, father of free radical biology out of Duke, who took 40 years to develop and perfect and patent this technology. And so when I was introduced to it, the products were originally sold in pharmacies, but because it was such a new technology, it needed education, kind of like what I'm doing here. I'm educating you on this. And so the model shifted, and now we educate folks on what is nutrigenomics, how do these products work, what's the science behind them, and then help people make decisions on what is best for them. And then if they're interested in the business, that's exciting too, because we're rapidly growing and the market is huge. So I am going to just kind of keep it at that today. The next 11 weeks is going to be me bringing on guests, people that I have had the honor to work with over the years, and people that have mentored me and people that I'm mentoring. So I look forward to that. If this is interesting to you, please, you know, tune in Thursday at 11:30. I'm going to spend about 15-20 minutes on that in the next upcoming weeks. And put in the comment, please, your industry, so that I can find, you know, work with folks that are in your industry, and so they can kind of speak the language, you know, and the background of why did they, you know, as a real estate professional, decide to also use these products for their health, and why do they feel compelled to share these products with others as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm excited about it. So with that, I wish you all well, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for the time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.